Hi, as you can see, we are looking at a little cat brass bell. Hear how loud it is. It is so small, but yet so loud. It's really amazing. So it's so small, it's only 9 centimeters tall, 9 centimeters wide, and just 3 centimeters deep. Here are all the little pictures here, and it's also magnetic as well, so it's ideal for putting on the fridge just to alert anybody to say, get out of my fridge. So it's a really cute little thing. It's very loud. Well, I'll leave you to it and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.